Well, the bridge was aging. It was more than 50 years old when we started the project, and by the time we took it down, it was getting close to 60 years.
And it was a unique type of bridge that was susceptible to accelerated deterioration and unpredictable deterioration patterns.
Concrete spaldings and start to chip off from the beams.
So it was very important to replace this bridge.
Then when it came to construction, it actually went remarkably quickly. Taking the old one down while keeping portions of it still in service, and then building the new one in 2 parts.
Yes, so the project was completed ahead of the time and under the budget.
This is one of the most rewarding things about working for Arlington County. So that's what the bridge means to me, being able to see the need, envision what it'll be in the future, work with a team of outstanding professionals to make that come to reality, and then watch the community as they use this new piece of infrastructure.